world is just a reflection of our mind. We can only see what we know and what we understand. We can't see the actual truth. Nobody knows what is actual real. Because everybody have their own perception. Others are illusion for you. You are illusion for others. Nothing is real here. Everything is a lie.
I want to die.
Die? Why? What happened?
I have a problem.
Everybody have their own problems. Even I have. Am I dying?
You also have? What's your problem?
It's a strange problem. You won't understand. Leave it. Tell me what's the problem.
No. Tell me yours.
You won't understand. It's a bit complicated.
Tell me. I'm curious to know how strange it is.
Well, the problem is I talk to illusions.
Illusions? What it means?
It's a misinterpreted perception. Means I'm seeing the persons which are not real. They are just my imaginations.
Oh, that's strange. How? I mean, you can see them?
Yes, I can see them. But they are just my reflection of my mind.
Okay, but what's the problem in this?
Problem? So didn't get. When you talk to illusions, how can you differentiate the real persons? You can't. Then life will become life to you. You don't know what is real and what is illusion.
They look like you?
No. How can they look like me? They are a reflection of my thoughts. They can be anyone who I have seen in past.
How can you say you're talking to illusions when you can't find who is real?
They just disappear when my mind get diverted. Or it will disappear if I know I'm talking with my illusion.
How can you know you're talking with illusions?
They are just my thoughts. I can know my thoughts, right? But subconscious mind. They can share my unknowing thoughts also.
That is a strange thing I'm hearing.
Tell me what's the problem? Why you want to die?
Mine is not a strange problem, but a typical problem. It's a simple problem when you don't understand it. It's a complicated problem when you understand it. Well, I don't know how I got this truth. But see, what we are seeing is just reflection of our mind. Means we can only see what we know and what we understand. We can't see what is actually there. My point is, when we can't see the truth, what is the point to live here?
Okay, you have a point. It can be solvable. You have to search for the reason to live.
There is no reason to live here. Why you have to live? What you have done is only live in your memory. We have to live for fucking memories? Is it bad? That's why I didn't have past also. I didn't like to remember any memories. What if the memories also lie? How can you say your memories are true? You will have memories only when you recollect it. What will happen when you stop recollecting the memories? World will become an illusion.
Okay, we both having problems. But I want to live. You want to die. 1 second. Who am I talking with? It's a strange problem. The problem is I talk to illusions. It's a misinterpreted perception. I'm seeing the persons which are not real. They are just my imaginations. They can be anyone who I have seen in past. They just disappear when my mind gets diverted. Or it will disappear if I know I'm talking with my illusion. You know one thing? Right now, I'm talking with my illusion. You are not real. If I know you are my illusion, you have been disappeared by now. They just disappear if I know I'm talking with my illusion. But you're still there. I didn't get why this strange thing happening now.
I want to die.
Die? You are my imagination. You can't.
I don't want anything. I just want to die.
You are not understanding me. You are just my illusion.
You are not understanding me. I want to die.
Just use your brain. You are my imagination. How can you? Okay. You didn't have brain, right? You can't die, okay? If you want to die, I have to die.
Then die for me.
Are you kidding me? I don't want to die. How can I die for you?
See, I'm a reflection, right? What I have said is maybe your inner feelings. I want to die means you want to die inside. That is what your inner feelings.
I think you don't have this dilemma. Then we have a big problem. Should I give up or should I face it? I am the one who choose to face it, and you are the one who give up.
You are not in a position to listen. I will kill you. If you die, I will also die.
Wait. You can't kill me, okay? You are my imagination.
Why are you scared? So I can kill you.
I don't know. Wait. Don't shoot.
I can kill you. That's why you are scared.
It's real or not. We all fear of our death. I have already said to you, you are my illusion. You can't do anything.
I'm an illusion. I can't do anything, right?
Yeah,
That means you can do something for me.
I can't kill myself.
Not that one.
Then what?
Kill me.
Kill you? I can't do that.
Just shoot me.
See, you are just my illusion. You can't die. You only have a choice to listen to my words. You can't do anything without me.
Just shoot me. Shoot me.
Why are you scared when you want to die?
I'm not scared of dying. I'm scared of pain. Shoot me.
Pain? You won't have pain also. Now you believe?
Bullshit. I want to die, but I can't die. You can die, but you don't want to die. It's a never-ending conflict. There is only one possibility is there.
What is it?
I have to convince you to die, or you have to convince me not to die.
You have to convince because you are mine.
Why I have to convince? I am your truth. I am here to awake from the lie world. You just living in a lie world.
Whatever it is, you must have to live here.
What are you doing in your life? Nothing, right? If you do also, what will happen? Will be just a memory. What's the point to live here for memories?
If you want to answer for this question, not for this question, for any question, you must have to live here. At any time, you will get answer for questions. We are not living for the memories.
And remembering the past.
We are here for knowing the answers and to watch this mysterious world. If you want to live a worth life, you have to be here for your last breath.
You may be right for one side, but world is just an illusion. If we don't have senses, what is world to you? Empty, right? What you are watching is a lie. What's the point to live in a lie world? For whole life. World? We have a lie world. But we have a world. Yes, we have a world. It may be lie, but we have world to live.
You are just my thoughts. If I didn't have this wish, why you will have? What I'm doing with gun here? Am I here for suicide? Yes. If not, why I'm having a gun? That's why you are talking about suicide.
You are right about the world. You are the truth. I have convinced to you. We have a truth world and a lie world, but we have a world to live.
No, I have convinced it to you because these are my thoughts. And I am here to die. I have been talking with myself and you came. My brain wants to die. I want to live. And this is my inner dilemma.
No, I want to live. Don't do that. If you die, I will also die.
I have been talking with myself. My brain wants to die. I want to live. Am I here for suicide?
I want to die.
Then now you are my illusion. You have to disappear by now.
That's why I didn't have past also. I didn't like to remember any memories.
But the part of mind. They can share my unknowing thoughts also. How it will disappear if I know I'm down with my illusion. They can become who I have seen in past. When you talk to illusions, how can you differentiate the real person? You can't. Yes, I can see them. I'm seeing the persons which are not real. The problem is, I talk to illusions.
I am the person who has a problem of talking with illusions.
I have a problem.
Is I had talked to myself deeply and then illusion came. I am the real person. Is he is my imagination? What's the point to live here? I will kill you.
Or it will disappear if I know I'm down with my illusion.